Vijay, how was your holiday?
Although it rained a lot, we enjoyed our holiday.
Nice.
Did you get the job?
Even though I had the qualifications, I didn't get it.
Oh, that's too bad.
Can you enjoy a holiday when it rains? Vijay went on holiday. It rained heavily. She enjoyed it. So she used the word although to join the two sentences that were contrasting.
Although it rained heavily, I enjoyed my holiday. It was surprising that Social didn't get the job. She had necessary qualifications. So she used although to combine those two contrasting ideas.
I didn't get the job, although I had the necessary qualifications. Although is a conjunction that combines two sentences to express surprise.
Although can be used at the beginning of a sentence and in the middle. It is important to know where the comma is used when you write a sentence with although.
If you use although at the beginning of the sentence, you must put a comma after the dependent clause. If you use it in the middle of the sentence, you don't need a comma.
Though and even though can be used in place of although. Let's look at some more examples. I managed to get asleep even though there was a lot of noise.
Why did you tell them to keep it down?
Even though I told them, they didn't listen to me.
You should have called me.
I wish I had, but I thought you were busy.
Though I was busy, I would have still attended your call. Although he studied hard, he didn't pass his exams.
Did he have some extra help?
Yes, he did, and it was helpful.
What will he do now?
Though he's upset, he's going to try it again.
Ask him to take a short break.
Yes, he will, though it's going to be a very short one.
Oh, that's great.